all the way across, found my center from here to here, and then I found the center of that measurement. So I'm going to go ahead and start. I have this in my vice grip very, very tight. So you just start, keep your drill level. Most of them have a little level dude on them that you can use. Make sure you have your safety glasses on. And just start real slow. As it starts to cut in, it's going to start to kick on you, so you got to make sure you've got a good grip. And we'll just reverse that back out. And there we go. So enough for our tea light to sit in, but we don't want to go all the way through. So we're going to do it again over here. So now that we have that cut, what we're gonna do is just take a little piece of sandpaper, sanding pad, and just sand off these rough edges a little bit. So just kind of get your finger in there and get that around. This wood generally isn't that rough, so I don't really need to sand it more. If you need to sand yours more, just, you go ahead and sand yours more. Just want your corners to be smooth. Don't want anybody to get a splinter. Okay, so I'm going to be using this Barthene provincial wood stain, and I'm going to go ahead and dip in. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use this little spongy guy, and I'm going to get into my holes with it. Dried. We have this cute little block here. Simple. So we're going to go ahead and take our paint in white. I'm using DIY's beadboard. If you are interested in trying this product, there'll be a link below. So now we're going to dry brush this on. So what we're going to do is we're going to do one long stripe like that using a regular chip brush. We want our paint very light on here. And we're just going to go all the way down and across. This is going to give our wood that farmhouse feel. These are fun, easy candle holders that you can make with any size of wood. As you can see, I made quite a few. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, that like button, and leave me some comments.